Hey guys, so this is a very unusual video for me. I never done anything like that before, but Danny thought it would be a good idea to start doing stuff like that for me, and he really wanted for me to do an unboxing of this scary little guy on video. So he has been really into Halloween and everything Halloween since 2 years ago. Last year, he really got into like decoration for Halloween and animatronics, and overall, not just Halloween, just any holiday. He loves decorating. Those of you who don't know, he's my son. He's almost 9. He's so into decoration, and especially for Halloween. Like, he's obsessed with the animatronics. And so last year we bought a few, and this year we said let's just get 1 or 2 max. He was waiting for Spirit Halloween, that's his favorite store to shop for Halloween, to open up for like ever since it closed last year. And it finally opened in the beginning of August. Of course, we went there immediately to see what's going on, to look around. And he really wanted this particular animatronic last year, but we already purchased a few, and we said no, we can't afford to buy more. So how about next year? If you still really want it, we will get it for you. And so it was in stock. I mean, it just opened up too, so obviously a lot of things are going to be in stock, because last year they were not. Like, they were sold out very quickly. It is pretty cool. It literally like jumps at you, and it's got a sensor where if you walk by it, it's gonna get activated. So it sings this little song, and I'll definitely do a little demo after I unbox this. So first we have to open it out. These animatronics are very pricey. This one is not the most expensive, but it's also like shorter. So this costs $169.99. I'm originally from Ukraine, so we never celebrated Halloween as much. We knew that this holiday exists, but nobody ever decorated or did anything special for Halloween. So it's definitely like different for me to be so into this holiday, but I'm definitely enjoying it. Like, to be honest with you, I am enjoying like decorating and dressing up in costumes and stuff, going trick-or-treating with Annie, giving out candy as well, just seeing kids being so happy. It's awesome. Okay, let's just put it together. And this is the clothes, little costume. Okay, we really wanted to get Mr. Dark. If you're into Halloween and into Spirit Halloween deco, you probably have seen it or heard of it. It's like, it also is a bit spooky, like it jumps at you, and it's pretty tall. It kind of like jumps up high. And when Danny went trick-or-treating about 2 to 3 years ago, our neighbor had it, and he like just was under such an impression, because he got a little startled by it, but he also was like, so intrigued by it. So we kind of wanted to get it, but it's so expensive because it's sold out everywhere, and they're not like bringing it back, which sucks. I was hoping that for this year they will bring it back, but yeah, they're not. And on Mercari, they're like super overpriced right now. Yeah, so this is a little costume. Okay, that's a head. Instructions. Excuse me. Yeah, okay, so that's the manual, instructions manual. Let's see how we put it together. So we have a stand. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got that. We have this part. This. And that's just gonna like feed it through, and I don't know. I guess if I don't do it correctly, my husband will come and redo it. He's on his motorcycle ride right now. By the way, this he like bought for me to try and learn how to ride a motorcycle. Kind of started to learn, but I'm still terrified. Slide it through here. Okay, with that little hole there. Okay, and then you get the other shoe. Slide it through there. makes it a lot easier. I gotta completely get unzipped. Okay, then, so we're down here, then we have a few more steps to go through. They say to thread the little feet through this hole here. I'm assuming that's what they mean. All right, and then part 10, putting on the head, and then attach the head to the plastic shoulder frame. Secure the head in place using 2 screws. Uh-oh, where are the screws? Oh, there they are, okay. So I need to go grab my screwdriver and then I'll be back. So then they say to take that hook and attach it to the spring. I initially did not assemble this correctly, so my husband came home and fixed it. So the smaller part of the loop has to be up top, attached to the spring, and then the larger part is the one that's attached to the chain. Because I did the opposite initially, and it was like making some weird noises when it was like charging. And like, you know, just going down back from after jumping out. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. Just in case you guys have similar issue that I did. Apparently there is like a little thing here, so you just take that and then you have to kind of go up and then down. There we go. Now it's attached. All right, and then we have, now we have to attach the wires. Let's see if I can do that. Attaching of the wires part. Okay, so they say to take this wire right here and put it in this little space. Okay, got that. Do this. All right, got the wires attached. Next, close up the back of the costume and IR sensor by attaching the Velcro strips together and pulling the costume over the control box. Part H, fill the sandbag. Okay. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. All right, guys, we finally did it. It's assembled, so let's look at how it works. Ready?
Through the dark woods and into the night, I'm coming for you to give you a fright. Da 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 da.
And it actually has different versions too. So let's see. Oh.
2. Ready or not, here I come. Da 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 da.
One more.
Pray for the dead, and the dead will pray for you. You can pray for the dead. But the dead will prey on you.
Yeah, pretty creepy.